Thank you, sir. So, I'm here to talk about College of Optometrist's 80th year anniversary. So, as we all know, we are celebrating the 80th year this year. So, as you have noticed, we have organized more activities for this school year than the previous year. Of course, for us to celebrate really the 80th anniversary of CEO College of Optometry. So, those are the activities that we had, and you can notice talent explosion. There was no talent explosion last year. As well, for the St. Lucy's Feast Day celebration, we also had the Salo-Salo and the lights. Okay, so by organizing more activities this year, of course, we spent more money. So, as you all know, our college is not that big. So our fund is really, we are not a rich college, to say the least. And of course, we grabbed this opportunity since it's the 80th year and to hold a fundraising for us to replenish the depleted money, the depleted resources that we have exhausted for this school year. And of course, I'd like to let you know that the Student Affairs Office only allows us to hold fundraising activities during anniversaries. So it means that this happens only once in 5 years or 10 years. So we took this opportunity, and we also gave out surveys last year, and most people said that they want a movie premiere as our fundraising. So there you go, we will have a movie premiere. What kind of movie premiere? We will be having a block screening movie premiere. So what is a block screening? So it just means that on the first day of the showing of the movie nationwide, we will be renting out a particular movie house, a movie theater, and we'll block it. It will be used exclusively for the College of Optometry and its guests. Okay, so it's different from an advanced screening. An advanced screening is a showing of the movie a day before the actual release of the film. So why didn't we choose that one? Because if we choose that, we still have to buy the rights of the movie, and it costs around 60 to 80,000 pesos. After all, it's just a one-day difference, so I think it doesn't matter. So we opted to have the block screening. Okay, nice question, sir. The date of the block screening will depend upon the movie that we will choose. Okay, because we will just go with the actual showing of the movie. That is why we have trimmed down the choices to 4. Okay, and since today we had a very long day, we had late lunch, so I would like you guys to sit back and relax and watch the movie trailers. Don't worry. Afterwards. So, popcorn. Do you want me to buy?
Yes!
Okay, sige.
Joke lang.
Okay, so sit back, relax. Please watch the trailers, because afterwards we will let you vote on which movie you prefer to have. So our first choice of movie is The Secret of Moonacre. So this is a movie based from a novel. It's a fantasy adventure movie. So here is the trailer.
Welcome to Moonacre. Everyone dreams. Oh, be Miss Maria Merriweather, man. Of your destiny. I do. Yeah. You are a married Maria, and this is where you belong. Here in Moonacre. Just keep out of pulse. Now, at your service, little princess. A place full of surprise.
There are some very strange things going on in this house.
And in the land, a little bit of magic has come back to the valley. On the edge of darkness. Intruders in these woods will meet their downfall. Soon the final moon will rise, and the guilty will be punished. Maria is about to discover the only person who can break this curse is a true moon princess. That her destiny shines above her. You can stop the curse.
We need your power now. I believe in you.
The secret of Moonacre.
future awaits you if you want it. You decide.
Ay, ang ganda ng damit.
Okay, so that's our first choice. Our second choice is Watchmen. It's an action adventure movie based from DC Comics.
Ah, gusto ko yan.
Bigyan. 20 times 6 years.
It's a matter of time, I suppose.
But may smiley face. Yun yung logo niya.
Watch it. One of us died tonight. Somebody knows why. Somebody knows. Harry had been working for the government. Maybe it was a political killing. Maybe someone's picking off costumed heroes.
John thinks that there's going to be a nuclear war.
What if that's why someone wants us out of the way? So we can't do anything to stop it. An attack on one is an attack on all of us. Watchmen are over. What do you suggest we do about it? Retribution. We can save this world. Why would I save the world? I no longer have any stake in it.
Do it for me.
The world will look up and shout, "Save us." And I'll whisper, "No."
Okay, that's Watchmen. Let's watch the third choice. Tale of Despero. It is an animated film. It is a family-oriented film. Pagyan yung naging mag-join.
In a village under a castle, a little mouse named Despero was born.
Wow, he's so puny. And look at those ears.
Ang
Now, when
cute.
it comes to being a
Grabe.
mouse,
Ready, class? Good. Excellent.
there's a right way and a wrong way.
You didn't cower.
Looks like a sword.
It's a carving knife.
It's beautiful. But Despero can only do things
Despero, don't do it.
his way. This Christmas. Oh, Despero, there's so many wonderful things in life to be afraid of if you just learn how scary they are. Kate DiCamillo's Newberry award-winning book is coming to the big screen. In a world where fear is the rule,
Just for a second, just try being brave. Oh, this is bad.